guys, welcome back to Hello Crafty Kids. Today we're making heart-shaped pizza. Hola amigos, hoy te va a hacer una corazón pizza. Today we're using Pillsbury Pizza Crust. Guys, we really love pizza, so we want to share our special recipe with you. I'm going to spray the pizza pan with canola oil. I'm going to use a paper towel to smear the canola oil. We're going to open our pizza crust and cut it into a heart shape. We're gonna pre-bake our pizza dough for 8 minutes at 400 degrees. With our extra pizza dough, we like to make funny shaped pizzas. This is our favorite part. We're gonna add the topping. Yay! We're gonna use cheese, pepperoni, and sauce. First, I'm gonna put some sauce on our heart-shaped pizza. I like to use a big spoon for this. So I like putting it in the middle sometimes and then spreading it around a lot. But it's hard not getting it all over the pan. But just try your best. It's like painting, but with sauce and on a pan and on pizza. So I'm just gonna spread this around like this, all around. I need another bit more. This time I got a little bit more because we're almost finished spreading it. Okay, looks good. And now we're gonna, move this aside and get the cheese. My favorites. My sister really likes cheese pizza, so I'm gonna put a lot of cheese. And if you guys don't like pepperoni, feel free to take the pepperoni off. So what I do to get all this cheese in one spot in a line like this, I get a big handful like this. Let's see, let me move it forward. I take a big handful and then rub it around my hands so it could slip through the openings that I have. So my openings are the big spot right here. So we're gonna sprinkle it right now. I like cheese on my pizza. Comment down below if you guys like pizza with cheese on it. So might take a while, but we're just gonna spread this all around over here. There. And on the last bit here. With the cheese, it's good that maybe if you get it on here, it's good. But sometimes I put it on here and it just melts easily. So now let's add my favorite accessory, pepperoni. So just add it wherever you want to put your pepperoni. I'm gonna try making mine like a smiley face. This nose looked like kind of like Rudolph, actually, red-nosed reindeer. If you guys like Rudolph, you could comment down below if you guys like Rudolph. There we go. If you guys like my pizza, comment down below because I like it and maybe you guys like it. So we're finished with this pizza. And now we're gonna put it back in the oven. Let's go. My mom's gonna put this in the oven and we're gonna bake it for 10 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We love you guys. Bye. Bye. Okay, this treat. I'm gonna have a bite of this one too.
Oh wow, this is really good.
Ooh, good. Okay. Oh, good. Right, Delilah?